Leaving the military soon? Then this guide is for you. I'm Sergeant Spotlight, reporting for duty on behalf of Stay Tuned for Vets. And in the next few minutes, I'll cover 10 smart moves every service member should make after leaving the military. First up, secure your DD 214. This single document is proof of your service, dates, and discharge status. You'll need it for almost every benefit, job application, or veteran discount. Request extra certified copies now and scan a high-resolution PDF for cloud storage. Keep the original in a waterproof sleeve or safe deposit box. Should it ever go missing, replacements can take weeks, so having backups saves headaches later. Here's a pro tip. Create a secure digital folder labeled Military Records and drop your DD 214, awards, and medical documents there for easy sharing with employers or the VA. Even if you feel like the picture of health, enroll in VA healthcare as soon as possible. Early enrollment locks in priority status, lets you schedule baseline checkups, and ensures your records move smoothly from the Department of Defense to the Veterans Administration. That's DoD to VA. Call 877-222-8387 or apply online in under 15 minutes. Think the GI Bill is all the VA offers? There's much, much more. Home loans with no down payment, vocational rehab, family counseling, job placement, and child care assistance, just to name a few. Some programs start automatically, but many require an application or a quick phone call. Mark a calendar reminder to review benefits every 6 months. Rules change, and new pilots launch all the time. Here's that bonus tip. Education and transition perks can sunset. That means they stop after a set number of years. Investigate now, even if school or job training is a few years away. You'll thank yourself later, and so will those kiddos. College, trade school, boot camps, and professional certificates all count. The GI Bill often covers tuition, books, fees, and sometimes housing allowances. Head to va.gov or talk with the school's Veteran Services Office. They streamline paperwork and can help you stack scholarships on top of your GI Bill to stretch those dollars further. Pro tip, plan your start date around the school's term schedule so you maximize the monthly housing stipend instead of losing days at the beginning or end of a semester. If service left you with physical injuries, chronic pain, PTSD, or even hearing loss, you may qualify for monthly compensation and dedicated health services. Don't downplay small issues. Claim them while the details are fresh. Organizations like DAV, VFW, and county VSOs file claims, gather evidence, and appeal denials free of charge. Translate your MOS into civilian language. Highlight leadership, logistics, and troubleshooting. Skills every employer values. Hire Heroes USA, NextStop, and MyNextMove.org offer veteran-focused resume builders and mock interviews at no cost. Strengthen your digital footprint too. Refresh your LinkedIn page with a professional photo, clear headline, and a few endorsements. Join local Facebook groups for vets. Many circulate hidden job leads, networking events, and mentorship programs that rarely hit big job boards. Community fuels success. Stay Tuned for Vets uses art and music to boost mental wellness. Easter Seals of Greater Houston offers service dogs and mental health counseling. The Waves Project takes disabled vets scuba diving for underwater therapy. The Yellow Ribbon Fund provides family transportation and fun outings during recovery. Team RWB unites veterans through fitness and local meetups. Whether you're into painting, paddling, lifting, or gaming, there's a group that gets you. Reach out. Shared experience makes the transition lighter. Leaving uniform life can feel disorienting. One day you're on a strong team, the next you're on your own schedule. Talk with someone you trust, try mindful apps, pick a creative hobby, or simply get outside for sunlight and fresh air. If discouragement lingers more than 2 weeks, contact the Veterans Crisis Line by dialing 988 and pressing 1, or talk with a counselor at your nearest vet center. Strong minds build strong futures. Service doesn't end, it evolves. Maybe your next calling is earning a degree, launching a business, volunteering in the community, or spending dedicated time with family. Outline short-term goals for the next 6 months and a huge goal for the next 2 years. Having a mission keeps you motivated and gives every morning purpose and direction. Benefits, policies, and resources update constantly. Follow reputable channels like VA News, Military One Source, and of course, stay tuned for vets on social media. Remember, transition is a journey that is best shared with a battle buddy. It's not a solo mission. If you need a hand, Stay Tuned for Vets is just a click away with creative workshops, peer support, and real-world advice. Subscribe to our channel and share this video with anyone who could use a boost on their path from boots to civilian shoes. Stay tuned, stay strong, and stay away from that guy who says he almost joined.